Genelec 4000 series are compact but powerful two-way active loudspeakers for indoor installed audio applications. Allow us to present the newcomer of the series, the 4010. You'll be amazed with the output power and accuracy of the sound that these compact loudspeakers provide. The 4010 comes with an easy-to-use 3-pin Phoenix-type audio connector. This, along with multiple mounting options and a rich selection of installed accessories, makes the 4010 easy to install and integrate into versatile installation environments. Add Genelec's famous control directivity with room response control features, and you have a perfect package for installations. Each Genelec 4000 series loudspeaker has the same sound characteristics, so the 4010 can be easily combined with its larger siblings. Genelec follows sustainability in its operations. Recycled aluminium is used in the 4000 series enclosures. Genelec products have been designed to last longer, minimising the lifetime maintenance cost of the overall system. Also, spare parts and technical support are offered long beyond the warranty period of the products. 4010s come with Intelligent Signal Sensing (ISS) circuitry. This means that power is automatically switched on and off, depending on the presence of the audio signal. Equipped with Genelec's protection circuit, these reliable loudspeakers also feature new, energy-efficient Class D power amplifiers. All Genelec loudspeakers are manufactured and assembled in Finland. Thank you for your interest. Please visit genelec.com for more information on all Genelec products.